In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store on Wix Studio. First, make sure you're in the Wix Studio editor for the site where you want the store to live. On the left side of the editor, look for the App Market in the left pane. This is where you can browse and install features that expand your site's capabilities. Go ahead and open the App Market, and in the search bar, type Wix Store. You'll see the official store app come up. Select it, then click Add to Site. Wix will take it from there and begin the installation. Once the installation completes, Wix automatically adds the essential store pages your site needs, so you don't have to build them from scratch. You'll find a product page for individual item details, a product browser or catalog page where visitors can explore your offerings, and a payment or checkout page to handle purchases securely. These pages are connected under the hood, so when a shopper clicks a product, they'll move naturally through browsing to checkout. You can always customize the look and feel later to match your brand, but the structure is ready to go immediately. With the store framework in place, it's time to provide the content your store will display. Head to the CMS, which is your site's content management system. This is where you'll add your product collections that apply to the store. Think of a collection as a neatly organized group of items, like t-shirts, accessories, or seasonal specials, that the store pages can pull from. Inside the CMS, create or open your product collections and add your items. Each product can include details such as a name, description, price, images, and any options like sizes or colors. Clear titles, strong images, and concise descriptions will make a big difference in how professional your store feels. As you populate your collections, the store pages that were added during installation will reference this content automatically, displaying the products in your catalog and linking them to the product detail and checkout experiences. This means that as soon as your collections are in place, your storefront can show them off without extra configuration. That's all there is to it. You've opened the App Market, searched for Wix Store, added it to your site, let Wix create the key store pages for you, and then gone to the CMS to add your product collections so the store can display them. Publish when you're ready, and your new Wix Studio store will be live and ready for visitors.